Our spreadsheet editors are designed for large websites, so they are optimized to be fast and work with all servers. However, sometimes the spreadsheet may seem a bit slow, depending on your site's server configuration or capacity. Therefore, in this video, we share some tips to make the spreadsheet editor work fast for all sites. You'll find the link to download our plugins in the description of this video. Also, you'll find a link to our written guide. WP Sheet Editor allows you to load only the columns you want to view or edit in the spreadsheet. But having too many columns enabled can make your spreadsheet slower to load. So, let's see how to disable columns. First, you have to go to Settings and open this option. Now you have to select the columns you're going to hide by dragging them to the right side. This change will be applied only for this session, however you have the option to save this setting for future sessions. Just check this box if you wish. Finally, apply the settings. When you open the spreadsheet, all rows will be loaded. However, you can filter the rows you want to view or edit. This way, you won't have to search for the information you need among all your content. We'll accomplish this with the search tool, with which you can search for your products by keyword, category, tag, attribute, etc. It's important to note that this is for WooCommerce, so the search parameters will vary from spreadsheet to spreadsheet. If you are using another spreadsheet, then you will be able to search for different parameters. In this case, we'll use the keyword shirt to filter our products. After entering the search parameter of your choice, run the search. If you need to save time, you can use the bulk edit tool to apply changes to hundreds of rows instead of editing them one by one. For example, let's say we want to decrease the selling prices of hundreds of products by 20%. To do this, we'll select the rows to which the change will be applied. Select the sale price field. Choose the edit type decrease by percentage. Enter the number 20 here. And execute the change. As you can see, the prices have been changed in just a few seconds. Now imagine you want to copy 5,000 rows with all your WooCommerce products, WordPress user information, categories, etc. It will be difficult to select all those rows to copy at once. For this task, a better idea would be to use the export tool. Once you open it, just select the columns you want to export. Optionally, select the app that you'll use to edit the file. And start the export. This will generate a CSV file, which you can easily edit with Excel or Google Sheets. Another option is to configure how many rows you want to load per page. For example, you can load 100 or only 10. You decide. To adjust this, just go to Settings. Select Advanced. And enter how many rows you want to display in the spreadsheet by entering the number here. Finally, save the changes. Sometimes, your server may give errors when trying to save thousands of changes. So we have designed the spreadsheets to give your server a 6-second break between batches. However, if your server still needs a little more time, you can increase the number of seconds it waits between batches. Just go to Settings. Click on Advanced. Select Solution to Weird Errors. And enter here the number of seconds you want your server to wait between batches. Finally, save your changes. Serialized columns can take up a lot of CPU usage. Therefore, you may want to disable them from the spreadsheet. To do so, go to Settings. Open the Advanced option. Select the Customized Features field. And disable the serialized column support. Finally, click here to save the changes. If you're using the WooCommerce product spreadsheet, you'll see that the plugin automatically calculates your inventory statistics every time you load your rows. However, this may be a process you don't always need, and you may want to disable it to free up some CPU and server usage. To do this, go to Settings. Open the Advanced option. Go to WooCommerce Products. And disable Product Inventory Statistics here. To finish, we'll save the changes. When you open the spreadsheet, it loads all rows automatically, but sometimes you may want it to load only the rows of your search. Therefore, you can disable automatic row loading by going to Settings. Open the Advanced option. Go to the Increase Productivity option. Then disable the automatic loading of rows. Lastly, execute the change. Now, every time you open the spreadsheet, no rows will be loaded, but you'll be able to use the search tool to load just the rows you want to view or edit. Applying these options will help you optimize your experience with the WP Sheet Editor spreadsheets. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.